Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and review of sound machine. This is not your typical review where people either it's too technical or too suggestive. Today I'm just gonna share my thoughts based on my experience uh, while traveling. And since you're traveling, you probably have noticed that there are a bunch of things that you don't have any control. One of the thing is when you are staying in a hotel in a room, you don't have control on other people, and especially the unwanted noise that basically hinders your sleep. So one of the must-have items in my checklist for travel is sound machine, a really good one, and it's for if you are traveling with a little ones, it's very important. It promotes relaxation and it masks the unwanted noise. So with a lot of research and trying to find something that is portable and affordable, I got this two sound machine. Today I'm gonna do unboxing and I'm gonna share my honest review at the end of this video. Okay, the first sound machine that I have is from a company called MagicTeam. It's lightweight and it's portable. It has a USB charging, so you don't have to carry wall charger, and you can use any power bank to charge this one. Also, nowadays in any of the hotel room, you have a USB charging right beside your bed in the nightstand, so it's convenient, and it has all the clicky buttons and really good collection of sound. So if you see on the top, all the buttons are on the top. So you have your power button on the left. You have your timer. You can set like three timers. It's 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and then if you don't select anything, then it just goes on and on. And then you have your sound change. Like you can change to different sounds. It's on your right side, so you can go back and forth on different sounds, and it's portable as I said, and it's really good. The sound quality and then sound collection that I uh, s- listen to this one is good. So I'm gonna uh, play some sounds for you guys. It's small snippets of all the sounds so that you guys have some idea of like what all these collections about. Let's listen to the sound and I'm gonna come back. the other sound machine that I have for you is a company called BGoverss. It is compact and portable like the other one. The shape is a little bit different. It's circle compared to square from MagicTeam. The other difference from MagicTeam is the charger. The charger is a wall charger, so it might be a little bulky for some of you guys, but yeah, that's one thing that you can consider while comparing these two sound machine. Um, the sound machine itself is a really good build. Um, it has all the uh, buttons on the top. The buttons on the top are all touch sensitive. So you have three buttons in the front. That's clicky buttons. That is to change your timer, and you have a night light on the bottom. So that's a plus compared to the MagicTeam. So you have the power button on the middle, you have sound changer, and then you have your volume at the end. So let's listen to some sounds collection that we have with BGoverss. And then at the end, I'm going to come back and then give you my uh, review, and then I'm going to share my opinion. Um, if you see, this one is a bit different. It has touch sensitive buttons. There's two volume control, and then you have your sound. You can change the sound, and then you have your power button in the middle. There is a tactile button to change your volume. You guys also probably already made your own judgment of the collection of sounds and quality and pros and cons of these two sound machines. For me, I prefer the second one from BGoverss compared to the first one from MagicTeam. The reason for that is it has a night light, and compared to the one from MagicTeam, I like the sound quality. It's not sharp. It's kind in a mild range, and I think it's I tested this both of them multiple nights, and the second one I prefer the second one much more than the MagicTeam. I think both of them are good. They have good sound quality, good collection of sounds. There are just minor differences between those two. I really like the USB charger option for MagicTeam so that you don't have to carry the the heavy wall charger. Like you can just basically take any USB charger and just stick it, and then you're good to go. So for me, I prefer the big overs, but I gave you my honest opinion. I laid out my analysis of both of them. I hope this video help you to select one of the sound machine. As I mentioned earlier, the sound machine for me while I'm traveling, it's a must. I've been into multiple situation where maintaining silent it's out of your control. Like even if you go and complain the front desk, like sometimes it's out of your control. So and opening of doors, people walking, not caring about other people's, like it's really hard to control those things. So I think this sound machine is a must have in your checklist while you're traveling. So I hope this video helped you. If it helped, please subscribe to channel, and I'm gonna see you in another video. Thank you.